In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new project in Cursor AI. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized workspace ready for coding, and you'll know exactly where your project files live on your computer. First, open Cursor. Once the editor is up, go to the top menu and click File. On Windows and Linux, choose Open Folder. On Mac OS, the option is simply called Open. This tells Cursor that you want to work with an entire folder as your project, which is the best way to keep your files, assets, and configuration in one place. If you prefer using the keyboard, you can use the standard Open Dialog shortcut for your system, but the menu path works great for everyone. When the system dialog appears, it's time to create a dedicated home for your project. Choose a location on your computer where you like to keep development work. Many people use a Documents or a Developer folder. Create a new folder here. Give it a clear, descriptive name that matches the purpose of your project. Consistent naming really helps later on when you're juggling multiple projects. Consider using lowercase letters and hyphens instead of spaces to avoid issues with tools or scripts that might be sensitive to file paths. If you plan to sync with cloud services, pick a stable location and make sure you have permission to save there. After you've created and named the folder, select it in the dialog and confirm. Cursor will open that folder as your project workspace. You'll see the folder listed in the Explorer panel, which means you're officially set up. From here, everything you add, source files, images, configuration, stays neatly contained. This structure makes it easier to navigate, share, and back up your work. A quick note on why this matters. Opening a folder rather than a single file unlocks the full power of Cursor. The editor can understand your project context, help you move between files, and offer smarter suggestions. It also makes it straightforward to integrate version control later, collaborate with others, or automate tasks without changing how you organize your files. That's all there is to it. Open Cursor and choose the folder option from File, create a dedicated folder for your project in a sensible location, and select it to begin. With that, your new project is ready. You can now start adding files and building with confidence, knowing everything is in one well-organized place. Thanks for watching and happy coding in Cursor AI.